Hi guys, got some exciting news. I cut my hair, but also we just finished getting ready to go. We're leaving tomorrow morning. So exciting.
It's raining right now, but
It's gonna be raining for the next 7 days. We waited out the tornadoes, but I think they're primarily gone and we can dodge the rest. So we're gonna leave tomorrow for a big adventure.
yeah, in case you guys are wondering, this is the day, today's the 3rd. So the 2nd was the big tornado storms that went across the U.S. That was me. You see that, y'all?
Got it. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later.
Anyway,
Tomorrow morning. It's been a big day.
big adventure. Guess where we're going?
Shh.
Can't tell you guys just yet. But stick around and find out. Whenever that is. Bye. When your dog's ready to go before you are. Are you ready to go? You're ready. You've been ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Shut up and let's go. What are we doing?
We're leaving.
It's been so long.
Delays after delays, but we are hitting the road today.
Moral of this story is all the bumps in the road, while very inconvenient, are worth it in the end. So
I could have a smoother road, but
oh yeah, everyone wants
character.
a smoother road. Everyone for sure wants a smoother road, but we're finally getting there, guys. And we're going somewhere so cool. But you won't know until the end. Or when we get there.
we got a long way there.
We got a long way to go.
Weeks. So hop on in. We're going on a ride.
Say something, Basil.
Woof.
Bark. The trailer brake works.
Yeah, you're good. At what point is it too much? What?
I think we should go out of our way.
Detour to Buc-ee's. What? Tell them. That's crazy.
Our first stop. Say hi.
Where are we?
Guess where we're at? There's a hint in the shot. Hoppa! I know it's not the greatest thing in the world, but hey, we're good. We know we're going to get some nice hot food. Let's do this. Now I just need to get Basil to go potty.
I'm ready for some hash brown.
Hash brown.
We made it to our first fuel up. We got to about a half a tank. Giving Basil some water. It's raining. So we also took a little restroom break as well. Listen, I'm a little nervous about my hair. I'll be honest, because it's already it's doing the calic thing already. And I don't have a shower in sight for the next day or two, probably. I don't know. I think we're going to try to get a site Sunday or Monday. But right now the rig is winterized. Do you want any more water? Come on. There's a little bit left. Should we wait until Daddy gets here? Yeah. Here, let me sit you guys here. Come here. Come on. You want some snack? I'm also trying to like give her rewards because she hasn't been on the road for a while, and before we were in the Forester, I don't know, she's just way more chaotic than she was before. So rewarding with her regular kibble because she is being a good girl. Yeah, just a little kibble. Kibble, a little water, a little kibble. Good job. Okay, a little bit more. Just pinches. Just little pinches. All gone. Lunch at Waffle House was delicious. So yummy. More water. Rinse down the KB. Here comes Daddy. But it's been going really good so far. And we're about to get back on the road.
Yeah.
Hitting Indiana faster than we thought.
Yeah, making good progress.
Great progress.
I'm sure all you professionals out there are like, yeah, that's nothing, but hey, it's something for us.
Oh my gosh.
Good job, baby.
Good job.
Good job. Thirsty girl.
Good job. We'll leave that up here. It's a perfect spot for that. All right, so we're getting back on the road.
Yep, we're getting
For
back on
sure,
the road.
I'm gonna make it into Indiana. All right. Gotta get buckled up.
That's all you.
Camper's with us. That's a good sign.
Got our lights on.
All right, you're gonna go west to the right.
Yep.
Beautiful. Gas 287, which is actually significantly cheaper than like 10 miles back that way, which was like $3.19 or $3 something like that.
Yeah, 40 to 50 cents more expensive.
He looked on the Gas Buddy, did a little research. That's why we came here, rather than when we stopped to get Waffle House. See you guys, maybe in Indiana. Tell him, Basil.
Oh,
Basil, your butt is in the camera. The camera's over here, Basil.
no, I like this side.
Oh my god. That's what she likes. She is ready to cuddle.
I was home right.
She said, why aren't we in bed? Alright, guys.
First time driving in the rain, the trailer in the rain.
Yeah.
Sorry, let me say that again. First time driving the trailer in the rain. We are leaving Ohio.
Toodaloo. A cheerio, my love.
Still a long time.
We will not be coming back anytime soon to the heart of it all. So I guess the question is, if we ain't hit the welcome to Indiana yet, where are we?
Pennsylvania. Oh, right.
Where's the welcome Indiana? There it is. Our first date on the biggest adventure of our life. And it's red. Jesus Christ. Indiana. Are we okay? Fucking Richmond. All right, we're gonna focus on the roads because that was crazy. So we just landed and the weather outside is like insane. insane weather. What do you think? We've landed. And where are we at tonight?
Indiana, almost Illinois.
We are right on the border. Pretty much almost Illinois. We are cracker docking. Won't take you in with us. We're just gonna go enjoy dinner. And then come back.
Basil freak out.
Hopefully Basil doesn't freak out. And then come back and go to sleep and head on to Missouri.
Yeah.
I mean, and head on who knows where.
Somewhere in the morning. Yeah, isn't that right? Hey, look.
Probably won't record much more tonight unless it gets spicy. This is like, I think, the worst of the storm hitting us now. I have to look at the weather. But we're supposed to have rain like all night, but that's pretty peaceful. So we're just gonna go enjoy dinner at Cracker Barrel, our spot for the night. We're cracker docking for the first night on our adventure. See you guys tomorrow morning. So the rig is rocking. It's monsooning. Be honest, for the first night, it's kind of scary. The wind is so strong. It sounds like someone's banging on our door. We keep looking out and it's like, you can't see like 50 feet in front of you. But it's okay. We're camping. Cracker Barrel chicken tenders was really good. I think they upped their game, not gonna lie. But the country comeback sauce is very spicy. But honey mustard is good. I'm gonna go, guys. It was so strong. It was lifting our cover, this white cover, up. I keep having to tighten that down. So we're just gonna hold tight, you know. Probably, hopefully sleep. Probably not. It's just.
I can see the trees.
We're protecting the trees. Well, that one might be crooked.
Oh, it's crooked.
Was it always crooked? Yeah, I think so.
You immediately reach for
Me. Whoa! Whoa! Camera confessions. It stormed all night. Really bad. But we're heading out soon. He's ready to go. I'm ready to sleep. I don't know. It just stopped. It's sprinkling. It just stopped thunderstorming for the last 12 hours. Well, I don't care if I want to sleep a little bit longer. That's my confession.